Welcome to the Adventures of Shane and Laura. I'm Shane.
I'm Laura.
Today we're going to Glacier National Park.
Woohoo!
We've been to, oh no! I can't get in. So we've been to Glacier once already this season, but we went before Going to the Sun Road was open. We knew it wasn't open, but we knew there's a lot of cool stuff to do up there anyway. Now Glacier is completely open. We should be able to do all the cool stuff that we're excited to do.
And the really cool thing is that today marks a year that we moved back to Montana.
That's right.
So it's kind of a perfect way to celebrate. This past year has really been amazing. It's been so great to be close to family and friends and just reconnect with everyone, and then also experience the many, many amazing things that Montana has to offer. And I'm really happy with how we spent our last year. And I think the next years to come are going to be even better.
Yeah, living in Montana can be so easy to take for granted, the fact that you can get up to Glacier National Park in a 5-hour drive or down to Yellowstone in an hour and a half. But having been gone for 5 years, we don't take any of that stuff for granted anymore.
Yeah, so we suggest you don't either.
Yeah, wherever you live, you can do something, get out and see what the cool thing is around you. And you probably already know what it is, but may just kind of take it for granted, like, oh, I'll get there sometime this summer. Don't make a plan, get out there this weekend or next weekend, and go and enjoy the place where you are, and don't let any moment slip away.
We are about to enter Glacier National Park. It's about 6 p.m. right now. We just kind of want to get in there before a long weekend and get up to the Logan Pass Visitor Center and do the Hidden Lake hike. It's 1 mile to get there, so it's a quick hike, an awesome payoff. I guess it's pretty amazing. We're hoping to do that, and then as we come down, it'll probably be around sunset when all the animals are coming out, and maybe we'll post up and see if we can see any grizzly bears or other animals. We're excited. It's so awesome to finally get back in here, especially when the weather is so nice like this. Now, this is definitely scarier than Scalpel Hike.
Okay, so we didn't do the hike at Logan Pass today because we got up there super late.
Yeah, and it ended up being a lot longer than we thought it was going to be, so we figured it was better to not be traipsing around a long trail with all the bears coming out for dinner time.
So we decided to come down and hit this pub called Brannigan's in Kalispell. It was really nice. I had the bistro melt.
Yeah.
It was a different sandwich, but it was really good.
I had the something prawns, spicy prawns or something like that, and it was really good. The sauce was good, and it was just kind of fried prawns and French fries.
Now I'm gonna take my contacts out, gonna kind of relax and go to sleep, get up fairly early so that we can get a spot at the Apgar campground.
Yeah, it's first come, first serve, and it can fill up pretty quickly, especially on a weekend, so we need to fight our way to get the best spot or any spot.
So we'll see you tomorrow. So we're going to go down to the lobby and grab some breakfast. It's 7 o'clock, and then we're going to head up to Glacier to get a campground before they all get filled up. They're supposed to get filled up by 10-ish, but we want to play it safe.
So we are off for the day. A new thing that came up just overnight last night is that Hidden Lake Trail now has been posted for bear frequenting. So we were
Laura?
right not to.
Yeah, Laura was right.
One of us was a little more right than the other. We were right not to go and hike that. I mean, it doesn't mean you're gonna run into bears, but you're more likely to. So that was an interesting new development. So we're gonna get some coffee and then we're gonna try and snag a camping spot. So we are learning that this first come, first serve camping stuff is not fun. Pretty much you just drive in circles and start bugging people to see if they're gonna be leaving real soon. It's 10 o'clock now. We've been doing this for like an hour and a half. All right, so we finally snagged a camping spot, 10:15 now. We don't know if it's gonna work out because the whole system is really weird. Reservations are the way to go, for sure.
You're not done with yours? Oh.
No, I'm just telling them that we got our camping spot, but it was a real process.
We hope, we think.
Yeah, there's a good chance we'll get there and like someone else had registered but hadn't put their tag up. Like I was saying, it's this whole weird process that is confusing and made it so we're way later than we want to be because we want to do a lot of stuff. This really messes up our day. We'll survive.
Yeah, I think in general probably works best just to get a hotel for both nights so you got it locked down. Or if you're way ahead of time to reserve one of the reserved spots.
For sure. But we're gonna go do the Grinnell Glacier hike and then we'll come back, which it kind of sucks because this is right at the West Glacier entrance. So it's a really, like, you have to drive pretty far to get back here, away from the middle part of the park, and especially really far from Grinnell Glacier. After Grinnell Glacier hike, we're gonna come back down here and get our tent set up. Hopefully we'll know in a few hours if we actually have a spot or not.